Hello, second graders, and welcome to our phonics lesson for today. Today, we will review how knowing rhymes can help us figure out tons of new words. So if you remember, rhymes are kind of the ending of certain words. So usually when words have the same ending, they rhyme together. So let's look for rhyming words in Elise Greenfield's poem, Story. So I'm going to read you this poem and see if you can find any words that rhyme with each other. I step into the story. I leave my world behind. I let the walls of my story be the walls around my mind. New faces and new voices, I listen and I see. And people I have never met mean everything to me. I worry when they worry. I quake when danger's near. I hold my breath and hope that all their troubles disappear. I don't know what will happen. I never know what I'll find when I step into a story and leave my world behind. So when we were reading that poem, I noticed a few words that had some similar endings. I noticed some words had the ending IND. I noticed that some words had the ending E or double E. And I also heard some words that had the ending EAR. So let's look at the words that ended in IND first. We saw behind, mind, and find. Notice how those words that have the IND at the end all rhyme with each other. Let's take a look at some of the words that ended with E or double E. See and me. Do you see how both of those words kind of rhyme together? That's because they end with either a double E or one E. Let's take a look at these words over here that end in EAR. Near, disappear. Do you see how they both have the same ending? That's why they rhyme together. So what you're going to do today is, as you read, make a mental note of all of the rhyming words you hear. Can you think of others to add to our list of IND, E, and EAR ending words? If you can, write them down on the Google Doc in your classroom. I can't wait to see all of the great words that you find today that have those endings attached to them.